Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our updates. Stick around until the end, because today we're diving into everything you need to know about free VPNs. Are they actually safe, and do they deliver on speed and performance? Let's get started. Free VPN apps are becoming increasingly popular for users looking to browse privately without spending a dime. But is a free VPN a good choice? And what can you expect from the experience? Free VPN apps offer basic functionality, such as hiding your IP address and encrypting your internet connection. They can be a good starting point for casual users who need quick privacy solutions, such as accessing geo-restricted content or securing public Wi-Fi connections. However, the performance and reliability can vary greatly. One of the key benefits is, of course, the price. These apps are free to download and use. However, many come with limitations, such as capped data, slower speeds, or limited server options. Free VPNs often operate on smaller networks, meaning you might encounter buffering while streaming or slower connections overall. Security is another critical factor. While some free VPNs use strong encryption, others may compromise your privacy by collecting and selling user data. It's essential to choose a reputable provider with a clear no-logs policy to ensure your information remains secure. The user interface of most free VPN apps is straightforward, making them easy to use even for beginners. For casual browsing or light tasks, a free VPN can work well, but heavy users may find the limitations frustrating. So should you use a free VPN? They're a cost-effective way to dip your toes into online privacy, but they come with trade-offs. For those who need reliable, high speed, and unlimited protection, investing in a premium VPN might be a better option. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you've used a free VPN and what your experience was like. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. See you in the next one.